Toys, especially handcrafted ones, have always interested me. Whenever I saw them in the bazaars or haats, they have always brought back my childhood memories. The memories of the movement in them, the sound they make, and the little games which we used to play as kids. And these little wooden birds and toys have always been a part of my still lives. I had used the Atikopaka birds and the tops in my still lives very often. But then I found that to be very static. I wanted to add some movement to it, and I wanted to add the moving toys into my work. But then I really had to figure how to do it, and I started meticulously sketching the movement of the toys, because every toy has got a different kind of movement in it, a sound it makes which attracts the children towards it. And usually the toys which have movement in them or sound in them are more interesting for the kids to play with. So I was trying to portray those in my work. But these meticulous sketches of capturing the movement in stages were also static. I could not get what I wanted to. So when I was pondering on how to get that movement, I just came across blurred photographs. So that motion blur which was captured in the photograph gave me the idea. So I started adding little water to my sketches and allowed the water to seep in to add that little motion blur to my sketches. And after a few trials and errors, I could achieve what I want. The blur which resulted in the appeal of, which resulted in adding movement to the sketch. And then started my series Childhood Memories, and it is one of the best series of work which I have enjoyed doing.